How are you today? Feeling bright? Feeling okay? Or a little tired from the long busy day? I'm good. I'm fine. The evening feels divine. I made some tea. Sat down free. And now you messaged me.
Haha, that sounds nice. Warm like spice. I also relaxed with a little ginger drink. It made me calm. Helped me think.
Perfect mood to talk and share. To breathe the same peaceful air.
So, I wanted to ask in a soft, gentle tone, what games do you play when you're all alone?
Sometimes I play action games. Fast and bright. Sometimes puzzle games late at night. But mostly I like games that make the brain grow. Games that teach. Games that glow.
Oh wow, you rhyme too. It feels fun. It feels new. I also play but not too much. Just a little when life feels tough.
Online games relax my mind. They help me leave stress behind. Like music, rhythm, or a gentle breeze. Playing them brings me peace.
Same here, same vibe. Gaming feels like a different tribe. But tell me, do you play every day, or only when you want to get away?
Not every day. No. I play only when my energy is low. When life feels heavy and thoughts don't flow. Games help me reset, you know.
I like the way you play with balance. You mix fun with life. A perfect alliance. But many people lose control. Games start taking a bigger role.
Yes, addiction is a real thing. If you're not careful, problems may spring. But if you play with peace and time, gaming becomes something fine.
True rhyme. True time. I like that line. Play with peace and time. Feels divine.
So what do you play? Tell me slow. I want to hear the words flow.
I play story games. Soft and deep. The kind that help you think before sleep. Sometimes I play racing games. Fast like wind. Where I drive like crazy but never crash or spin.
Haha, nice. I play strategy games. Where I build kingdoms, lands, and names. It teaches patience, planning, and pace. Like solving puzzles with grace.
Do you talk to people while you play, or do you stay silent and let the game sway?
I enjoy talking sometimes, sharing jokes, sharing lines. Some online friends feel close and real. Their words can comfort, their stories can heal.
That's so true. I met a few friends too. We laugh, we chat, we play together. It feels warm like calm weather.
Gaming has good sides. Gaming has bad. Sometimes it makes you happy, sometimes sad.
Yes, like when we lose after giving our best. It feels heavy on the chest.
But when we win with teamwork strong, the joy lasts all night long.
I agree. The feeling is gold, like a warm story beautifully told.
You know, I believe games can teach more than what schools sometimes reach.
Yes, games teach focus, memory, speed. They teach decisions when there's a need.
Games also teach language in a playful way. You learn new words every day.
That's true, and that's why I enjoy this theme, learning English through a gaming dream.
Games are worlds where we explore. Behind every screen there's something more.
Games are stories where we grow, where time feels fast but moments feel slow.
Games are like oceans, calm and wide, where fun and learning walk side by side.
Beautiful lines, smooth as air, makes me smile without a care.
But we must play with balance and rest. Too much of anything isn't the best.
Yes, breaks are needed for eyes and brain. We shouldn't play for hours again and again.
I play 1 hour then I stop. I get up, breathe, walk to the shop.
Perfect routine. Wise and clear. I'll follow it too from today. My dear, what about safety? That matters a lot. Some people online shouldn't be forgot.
True. We must protect what we share. Be careful. Be smart. Be aware. No personal info. No secrets revealed. Keep your privacy safe and sealed.
Well said. Calmly said. Those words should be read.
We should play sometime. If you want. Something simple. Nothing too fond.
Haha, fond? You forced that rhyme. But yes, we should play sometime.
A calm co-op game. Slow and sweet. Where teamwork makes us complete.
Sounds lovely. Let's fix a day. We'll chat. We'll laugh. We'll play.
Life is busy. Life is fast. Games are moments that last.
True. They give us little breaks. Like soft snow over frozen lakes.
But life outside the screen is more bright. We must balance both day and night.
And when we do, we grow strong, like a calm and perfect song.
So today was peaceful, warm, and clear. Talking with you felt sincere.
Thank you. I enjoyed every part. Your words reached my heart.
We spoke about gaming. It's good and bad. It's moments happy, moments sad.
But overall, games bring joy and light, especially when played right.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope today's lesson helped you learn something new and exciting in English. Remember, practice every day, speak confidently, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more lessons,